In front of me is iPad Air 2025, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Passwords Manager. Begin by opening an app called Passwords and entering your screen lock. Now hit continue, continue again, tap on allow, and finally select all in password section. Then you need to use this little plus at the bottom right corner of this left side and add your password. At the top, pick any app or select any website. Enter your username, email or phone number, then your password, and even take some notes. When you're ready, hit save at the top right corner. As you can see, my password was successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!